What is this? We're at the end, guys. 2 slides to go. We've done it. What is this? Come on. You can tell me what this is. We're looking from above. And I've got a question here. Yes, they are in the UK. But what is it? What does this look like to you? Look. Look here. These are boundary lines where you come in. Those are where you go out of the roundabout. And you got this funny thing here. And then you've got you see there's a giveaway sign here. I don't know why they put a giveaway sign on the road there, because you're coming in here. So on the right hand side they got a giveaway sign. Who can tell me what this is? Yeah, it is the central part is an open roundabout, but it's got like what's got this red thing around the outside? Is that to make it look pretty? Mixed roundabout. Yeah, it's pretty mixed. It's pretty mixed up, I tell you. Even for me, this is like kind of really mixed up. Okay. It's a nightmare. Absolutely. Yes, it is. There is a cycle round. I like that. Whether we should call it the nightmare roundabout. I think that's about what it is. It is an absolute nightmare. Okay, guys, let me tell you what this is so you can all let's go. It is a Dutch or Netherlands style roundabout. Why we have to become Dutchies in this country? And every time they bring some of the Dutch stuff across here, I think to myself, really? Are you guys that? No, I won't say it. Okay, let me explain it to you. This is a new roundabout that they're testing. I think it's somewhere in Hayfield. They've put up 3 or 4 of these roundabouts. And what they're trying to do is have a negotiating this area around the outside. Let me put on some color here so I can. What color do you want, guys? Red, yeah? Red. Let's go red. Okay. So this here is a cycle lane. That's a cycle lane. So this thing here is a cycle lane. That's a cycle lane that goes all the way around the roundabout. So now let's just pretend you're a car coming up to this. You're coming from here. The first thing you're going to get to is this crossing point here, which can be bicycles or walkers or pedestrians or dogs leading their walkers around the block. So you have to deal with this. Now, when you come off this, you have a cyclist lane who have absolute priority over you. So the cyclists have priority over you. The dogs who are leading their walkers have priority over you. And as the mummies will always push the prams out in front of the cars to see if they stop. I like that. I always think, wow, mummy, you're checking if the car is going to stop by pushing your baby out in front of me. Okay, so that's what this is all about. Okay, and then so now you've negotiated the mummies and the prams and the dogs that are taking their walkers for a run. Then you have to look at the cyclists, and hopefully they aren't going in the wrong direction. They're coming from that side. But the walkers and the prams can come from any direction. Then once you get there, now you're here with your car. Imagine you're a truck. You're all over this. And now you have to negotiate the roundabout. And now you want to go out here, and all of a sudden there's another giveaway line. So to get out of the roundabout, the cyclist you stopped for here is now here. So now you stop for him again. And then when he's gone, then you can go. Oh my goodness. And what is this? And now the mummy with the pram has caught up, and she pushes out the pram in front of you again. So you wait, and then you go out. So how do you like that? That's really useful, isn't it? Oh, guys, I love your comments. Ridiculous, useless, nightmare. I have no idea, honestly, guys. I tell you, they hate the drivers in this country, honestly. If you drive a car, you sometimes think, man, they really work on hating us. They really do. I don't know why they don't. If they want to do all of this, just put a flippant traffic light there, which gives the pedestrians right of way, and let's forget about all this nonsense. Why they can't incorporate the cycle lane with the actual pedestrian crossings gets me. I don't get it. I really do not get it. Why does it have to be a separate lane? Maybe I'm stupid. And imagine if there's a truck here. Now look at the size of the car. If that car is waiting here, it's a Pentagnican truck, it's going to be all over this. And everything is going to come to a stop. I don't know. All right. Sorry, guys. Just having a bitch here. All right. That's us done for this evening.
Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more, head over to www.bds.ac, our interactive video e-learning platform. With BDS Academy, you can learn to drive online from the comfort of your home at your own pace, saving you both time and money. So, what are you waiting for? Visit www.bds.ac today. We'll see you there.